Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download CoinTracker application on your iPhone. To download and install CoinTracker app on your iPhone, first of all, unlock your iPhone and then launch open your App Store. In the search box, type in CoinTracker and search. Look for this application from Nino Finance Inc. and then tap on the Get button. You'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Make sure you do that, and then the application download process will begin. Wait for the app to download and install, and once it does, tap on the Open button to launch open the app and begin setting up your account or link in your cryptocurrency wallets. That is how you can easily download the CoinTracker application on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.